Welcome back. How are you all? So this guy has just started trade gold. Oh man, he always trade future, but now he has just started trade gold. You shouldn't stay over here, guys. Just let me know that if you can hear me. Okay, very important. So before going further, please let me know that the voice is okay. I mean, you can hear me. Then I will go for the price action over here. And till then, I should wait because I know you will take more time. You will take more time to tell me you can hear me or not. Let's wait some more times until you confirm that you can hear me or not. Dun, dun, dun. Is there anyone actually? I really don't know if anyone is watching or not. Let me actually check if there is anyone. So I can see there are 7 people. That's cool. So please, any of you, just let me know you can hear me or not. Voice is clear or not. Okay. Nobody is willing. Okay. Can hear you? Go. Okay, Garrison. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. Thanks for confirming. So this is the dollar index. We have CPI at 8:30. Okay, the best thing is you have to wait until the news. After news, wait at least 15 minutes. At least 15 minutes you have to wait. I'm in dollar index chart. From 15-minute chart, I can see this buy side liquidity that is more clean. I would love to see market will go toward that buy side liquidity. Okay, that is my expectation. Now this is CPI. This is unpredictable. I am not telling you that it's going to do that. But what I want to see is something like this. If it can come here and it take the sell side liquidity, then it can do that. Below this level, there is the consequent encroachment of the wick from the hourly chart. So it can go over there as well. Anything can happen. We have to wait until the CPI. As I'm expecting the higher run for CPI, I mean for dollar index, I would love to watch. I can't actually use three what to say the three chart. This is the euro USD. You can see this low is actually this low, this low, this low, this low. This four low has made this sell liquidity more obvious. I'm expecting higher run for the dollar index, so I will expect lower run for the euro USD. At 8:30 it can expand toward that sell liquidity, but before that, yeah, it can take that high. There is the fair value gap, little fair value gap above here. Look at this fair value gap. Okay, the best thing is I can mark the fair value gap. So that could be the fair value gap. It can trade over there, over here. Okay, so it can come until here, then it can expand lower if price is overzealous, and if I am completely wrong, then market can go higher. Okay? And where it can toward, I mean where it can go toward that daily fair value gap, that is the daily fair value gap, it can go toward that daily fair value gap. I actually don't want to see that. I want to see some kind of lower run. And here is the what to say the gold. Over here I'm expecting price will take this sell side liquidity. If it would love to go higher one more time, this is the last fair value gap where price could reach before expanding lower. So this is all I am expecting from the CPI. In dollar index, I'm expecting higher run. Every single other market, okay, like even S&P, Nasdaq, everywhere I'm expecting lower run. It's 8:28, so we have almost 2 minutes left for CPI. And guys, never ever try to take entry during the CPI. It will damage. Okay, it will damage more than you will expect. Nobody is able will be able to take their entry when the news will release. The best thing is to wait. Okay, so I'm waiting. Let's see how it works. Okay, I mean the primarily target is the sell side liquidity. I'm expecting this will be taken. If I'm wrong, then higher run will become, and there is the buy side liquidity over here. You can see this high and that high. Okay, let me mark it one more time. What the? Why it is not working? Uh, 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 uh. I think it should work. Let me try one more time. Okay, so it's really it should be here. From 15-minute chart, if I'm wrong, then it can expand higher and it can take some kind of buy side liquidity. That's cool as well. I mean, this high, that high, they're relative equal highs. It can go over there and it can take that. So after 1 minute, the news will release. I will see. Okay, so this is the news time. Let's see. Okay, I'm expecting price will come here and it will take this sell side liquidity. That is my expectation. But I'm not willing to take any kind of entry right now. This is the time you have to wait. You have to wait either for the extension or for the setup. Anything can happen in this time. All I want to see if I'm right toward my bias, then I will take my decision in later hand. Okay, so let me go to the 1 minute chart. So this is the 1 minute chart. This is the CPI candle. It went higher, has cleared all the buy side liquidity. Now it's expanding lower. Let's see. And to the dollar index. Okay, so it actually didn't go and take that liquidity. I'll be happy with that, but I want to see it will take this buy side liquidity. That is my expectation. Okay, from dollar index. If I'm expecting higher run for dollar index, I'm telling you again and again, I will expect the lower run to every single other market. Over here, I'm expecting price will take that sell side liquidity. See, from this is the Euro USD. So this sell side liquidity, this low, that low, both of these lows, all of these lows has made this liquidity more obvious. So I'm expecting price will take that. Dun, 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 dun. Muhammad Sad. You brother, do you love trade forex? I mean the Euro USD. You love it? I'm not seeing this. It has taken the buy side liquidity market structure shift. I'm not seeing like that way. Okay? So two fair value gap. This is the breakaway gap. This is the I mean entry gap. No, I'm not looking the price like that way. I will wait for the better setup. I will wait at least 15 minutes to 30 minutes. After that, I will try to take some kind of entry. If there is any perfect setup, then I will be interested for taking my entry. Otherwise, I will just wait. I will see how price actually trade over here. Okay. In the meantime, please don't forget to give me a like. I'm doing this for free, right? So I can expect some like from you. If any of you are new, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna actually change the settings from there because I don't want new people will ask me some question. That question I have already answered so many times. So if you are with me for some longer, then you you already know everything. So let's actually change the settings. Community method, anyone, only subscriber who can send message, subscribe only. Okay. Ta-dam. I think only the subscriber can message me. Oh, okay, that's cool. Hey Stephen, how are you, brother? George, Music Life. And you, how are you, brother? You guys are late. I'm waiting. I'm not thinking this is the setup, okay? So market has taken the buy side liquidity, then actually market. I'm not seeing this like that way. It has shifted the market over here, so that is the market structure shift. Then SS price has come to this bevel gap. So this is perfect, but as this is the time of the CPI, I'm not willing to take any kind of things over here. I will wait until it happened. I can be totally wrong. I mean, price can go above. I'm not telling that price can't go above. But I told you that I'm willing to see price will take that sell side liquidity as because I'm willing to see that the connection. Okay. I'm willing to see the dollar index will take that buy side liquidity. That is the thing I'm willing to see. Okay. It was very near. It was very near to take that buy side liquidity. See, it was very near, but it failed to take that buy side liquidity. But I will wait. Let me go to 1 minute chart. Let me see if there was okay. So prices come to this parabolic. This cool, but let's see it can take that buy side liquidity or not. Okay, from here it should go. I mean, it should expand higher. It should take that buy side liquidity. If it failed to do that, then only then this sell side liquidity will be my target. Why? The reason is price should have taken the sell side liquidity first. Then there would be the perfect expectation that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. But what has market done? Market has made that buy side liquidity more stronger. Now the buy side liquidity, see this high, that high, and this high. All of this high has made this buy side liquidity much more stronger. Okay. Only thing price failed to do is it actually failed to take that sell side liquidity before expanding higher. Instead of that, it came to this inversion fair value gap. That is inversion fair value gap. Look, I marked this one. Okay, not this one. So that is the perfect inversion fair value gap. Price came to this inversion fair value gap, expand higher. I wanted to see really, I wanted to see that it will take that buy side liquidity. That is why I was expecting lower run to every other market. So this is the gold. I will stay over here as dollar is falling. That is why we are seeing this type of consolidation. That's cool. I will observe this fair value gap. If it broke above, I will do nothing. If it just go below, there is much more possibility market will take that sell side liquidity. Okay. Inflation going up. Okay, means my brother. News just made equal lows. Where news has made that? I mean, in Nasdaq or in S&P market? Brother, I don't have the data plan, so I am just still waiting and waiting until I get the plan. So I have to wait. I have to wait for the data plan. Otherwise, it's boring. So I am in gold market because in gold market I don't need the data plan. I can trade from here. I can read the price from here, and it's almost the same thing. Okay. What's up? Hey, Julian. I'm good, man. Thank you. Let's see if it works or not. Still, I'm thinking market is going to take that sell side liquidity. Okay. And after 15 minutes of the news, that means from here, let me mark the 15 minutes as well. From here. After this line, I will look for the setup. After this line, This is the 8:30 news. This is 8:45. So this is the 15-minute difference after, I mean, from between the news time and our trade entry time. So that is the perfect place. You have to wait until here. If you see everything has done already before it reached to this 15-minute parallel gap, you are not going to do anything. Like here, I'm not doing anything, just nothing. Let's say our price work over here. Okay. Have to mark the upper quadrant because that is important here. Let me mark the 75%. So this is the 75% of this parallel gap, and here is the 25%. It is little bit confusing, I know, but this quadrant level, that is also important. Okay, not only the mean threshold, I mean the constant encroachment, the 75%, that means the upper quadrant, 25% the lower quadrant, both of them are also very important. What I want to see right now, what I'm looking for, as I am expecting lower run, market will take that sell side liquidity. All I want to see is body close below this parallel gap. If I see a body close below this parallel gap, that will initially confirm me that market is going lower. Okay, initially, not I'm telling it will do that. All I'm trying to say is I will start think maybe I'm right toward my bias. Market is going toward that sell side liquidity. If I see a body close below this parallel gap, this is the parallel gap from 1 minute chart. Let me go to 15-minute chart one more time. So here is the 15-minute chart. This is the last 15-minute parallel gap. Price hold the price. Nice. Went higher. It has taken all the buy side liquidity over here. Where dollar index actually missed to take the sell side liquidity. But in gold market perfectly take the buy side liquidity. So there is nothing over here. I mean the buy side liquidity has taken already. Okay. You see it has even taken this buy side liquidity. Now I would love to mark something. I don't know it worked or not, but I will mark. Okay. So this low, as market has taken that buy side liquidity and failed to take that high. Okay, it has taken that high, but it failed to take that high. So I would love to mark the last parallel gap. So this is the last parallel gap from 15-minute chart. I would love to see if it hold it or not. Okay, let me then right. Okay, cool. Let me go 1 minute chart. So this is that last 15-minute last parallel gap. Can you see the precision what I have uploaded, I mean, or what I have told you to my last video I have uploaded in my YouTube channel. Price came to this last 15-minute parallel gap perfectly. It has taken all the buy side liquidity. This 15-minute last parallel gap hold the price, send it back. Where did it came? I mean, can I see here? Okay, so it has come over here, and I think it came somewhere here. But this 15-minute parallel gap and this relatively equal lows, that is my target. I'm expecting price will come here. So I need to wait. I need to wait for more confirmation. Then I will be interested to take my buy. This highs that shouldn't be broken. Okay, that shouldn't be broken. That high actually not highs. That high shouldn't be broken. Why? Because if you see the other way, markets went higher. Maybe it has made some kind of relatively equal highs over there. It went lower. It has taken this sell side liquidity. This swing high has traded this parallel gap. Okay, that swing high, specifically that swing high. It has traded that parallel gap. After taking the sell side liquidity, I got a swing high. Now, if market can shift above that high with energy, that means the displacement with two parallel gap. That is kind of sign market is going higher. Now, if it would love to go higher, I am unable to do anything until it will break this hourly parallel gap. when it will break this hourly fair value gap, then I will start to think market is going higher. So I really don't want to see that. What I want to see, I want to see some kind of lower. So prices traded this fair value gap, then it has traded this order block. Cool. Until now is going toward my expectation. And reading price is so fun. Why people actually don't like it? It's fun. You have to expect something, then you have to wait for price. If it, I mean, delivered it to you, you will go for that. If it doesn't, just wait for another set. That's all. So over here, I'm going to take an entry gold, something like this. Okay, I mean something like this, because of the spread, I don't trade the gold market. Because of the spread, sometimes it doesn't feel, I mean, hit my target profit. Sometimes I got stopped out even if price is over here. That is why I will use this one. That will help. That will be helpful for me to observe the price and my entry. Okay, so I'm not going to push the button, but I will use the this one. This will feel some kind of the live trade. So after 1 minute, I mean from now, okay, now I'm looking for setup now. Okay, why? Because market has already passed 15 minutes after the news. So we should wait until 15 to 30 minutes before taking any entries. Now, am I going to take my sell according to that order block? No, I'm not. I'm not going to do that. First, I need some kind of confirmation that market will go lower. If I get that confirmation, then I will be confident to take my sell. And I have already told you, if market start to go higher, when I will take my decision. When it will be above the consequent encroachment of the hourly fair value, then I will start to think, okay, market is going higher. Until then, I'm not going to take any kind of buy. I think so, okay? I think so. But let's see how this fair value gap work. Continuously talking is too hard when it is not your mother language. Really too hard. So if you see in this, I mean, small price action, I will see this is my liquidity taken. I will see like that way. Okay, because I'm expecting lower. So I have got what to say, the liquidity taken over here. And one more thing, guys, I'm not going for the perfect market structure shift, as it is the gold, not Nasdaq or E-mini future, E-mini S&P. So I'm not going to look the perfect swing low or swing high for shifting market structure. Okay, try to understand and don't be confused. Whatever I told you, it worked in future market perfectly, but over here I'm not going with the precision or precise price action, because you have to consider this. Every single other market is not going to give you the precision. Well, you will get a general idea. Okay, so you don't need to be thinking that you will get perfect swing low which will trade some kind of fair value gap, or it will have some swing low on its right, swing low on its left, both of them are higher than that swing low, then you will mark that low as your market structure shift. You shouldn't think like that. And it will work or not, I don't know, because I don't trade all of this market. You have to do the back test. Whoever actually love trade gold, you have to trade, I mean, you have to look for, you have to do the back test. I mean, if you get the precision or not to all of this market. Okay, let me actually check the euro USD one more time, what it is doing. So in euro USD, after taking buy side liquidity, market structure shift, price came to this fair value gap. It has already started to go lower. I'm just waiting for this type of confirmation. Okay, that means it has actually closed below this fair value gap. Over here, you see it closed below this fair value gap. It went above one more time. It has traded this order block. Actually, let me mark the setup. over here, just randomly. Okay, I'm not just going for the precision. So this is the market structure shift. This was the fair value gap from here to here, and so this is the fair value gap. Market came to this order block, I believe. I'm not sure, but I believe it just failed for one peak maybe. That is the order block. It started to go lower. That's cool. I'm believing that market will come toward that sell side liquidity. That is my belief. Okay. We go to dollar index. Okay. So dollar come here. Fine. I believe it is coming over here toward that buy side liquidity. If this candle could close just above the hourly fair value gap, that would be the more confirmation that market is going to take that buy side liquidity. As it has closed at the level of the constant encroachment, this is kind of little bit confusing, but I'm believing, that is my belief, market is going to take that buy side liquidity. Now I'm coming here. Okay, so I got my market structure shift over here. I will go for sell if I get a fair value gap over here. If there is a fair value gap, I'm going to take my, yeah, or I can take a sell over here maybe. Is that valid? Well, low, high, low, higher, high. So this should be the, okay, no, let's wait. Let's wait if it can make a fair value gap and if it can trade that fair value gap. Okay, if it can make a fair value gap over here somewhere or somewhere here, okay, just something like this, then I will go for that trade. Until here I'll just put it here, but you have to take a partial when it will be below that low. That should be your partial, and let 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 mark the standard deviation. That will be easier for me. Okay, so market structure sheet, market went higher, just taken that over there. Normal. So this is not the perfect place. This is the perfect place. That should be the, I mean the first partial, and I will go until minus to minus 1.5 over here. Okay. So I'm in the market. This price hit my entry point. I'm in the market. When this candle close below that fair value gap, okay, below that fair value gap, this is kind of confirmation that market is actually going lower. That is my belief, and I can mark the order block over here. This is the order block. It can trade that order block easily, and I will mark the mean threshold of the order block. So that will be the mean threshold. I don't want to see anybody will close above that mean threshold. Nobody can close above that mean threshold. Oh man, oh man. Okay, okay. This is the proportion block. Okay, this is not the order block. This is the proportion block. That should be the first partial. If I am right, then only then that will be the first partial. I just went with the standard deviation. So below that low, that is the I mean the exact level where price should expand or price should come. That is the reason I'm just marking this one. And what price should do right now? It should go below that low. That is the first thing it has to do, and it has to go below that low with speed. Okay, I want to see speed now. There is the fair value gap. Let me actually mark the fair value gap. I'll go with this low. Okay, so this is the fair value gap. The fair value gap. Fun is fun. Fun is fun. Let me see the dollar index. What it is? This one. Okay, so it is very near to take that buy side liquidity. Okay, cool. How long it can go? After taking the buy side liquidity, how long it can go? Mark the consequent encroachment of this week. Okay, so that is the more obvious level where price should go. As I don't see any fair value gap over here, but I have a water block over there. But as it is actually just at the level of the water block, it can retrace from there. I'm not telling that it is not possible. It can retrace from that water block. It has taken the buy side liquidity. Okay, so finally it has taken the buy side liquidity. I need the run now. I mean, not it will go above it, then just go below. No, I don't want to see that. I want to see some kind of run now. Otherwise, it's difficult to trade. No, not like that. I need more big run. I'm talking now. Who is here? I mean, who is here with me? Who is here to celebrate my loss? I would love to see your comment, brother. Who is here to celebrate my loss? I want to see your masses. I'm in a jolly mind right now because uh, the thing is, I had a good news today, and that was really awesome. So I wanted to, I mean, share it, but I don't know how to share it. I shouldn't share it. Okay, let it go. But who is here with me? Can you please write down something so that I can know who is here? I mean, the music life. Andrew, Julian, George, anyone here? Remy, anyone? I know. Can you hear me? Okay, this is not cool. It should go through that buy-side liquidity with speed now. Nobody is here. Seriously, man? You guys left me alone? Then who will enjoy my losing entry? Who will clap to my loss today? See, I'm not saying that. Brother, please don't take this entry. Don't do that. Don't do this because I didn't push my button. I just placed this thing. So I'm not responsible for anything. So I'm not telling anything. I'm confident with this. So I'm going with this. When I took my entry, why I took that entry, I explained everything. So I'm not actually regretting to take that entry. Seriously, man, nobody's here. I know. Oh man, Stephen, are you there, brother? Nobody's giving me like. I can see. Oh no, I get 10 like with. I mean, out of 14 people. Okay, so Sefard Akaria, you are here. Okay, thank you, brother. Why I didn't see the comment? Oh man, so many comments, but I didn't see it. I'm very sorry, brother. I'm very sorry. So you guys actually commented, but I didn't see it. I mean, it didn't upload it. Okay, what's up? Hey, Zuli. Everything is cool, man. Siron 7 is going to take a loss. Okay, Nas 100. Brother, Nas 100. I don't have the data, So, I'm expecting lower run for every other market. Okay, I was expecting, not I'm expecting. I was expecting until dollar didn't take that buy side. When dollar has taken that buy side liquidity, then I need to see if it can expand higher. Okay, if it can close above that buy side liquidity, if it can close above there, I don't want to see this type of shallow run. Okay, I don't want to see that. Why I don't want to see that? Because first prices made this relatively equal highs, then this high, look at that high made that higher, I mean high, more stronger. Okay, when it has made this high more stronger, I don't want to see some kind of shallow run here. I want to see some kind of upper run, and it will work over here. Okay, it will work over here for little, for a little. If it would love to go higher, this constant encroachment is the much more obvious level. Okay, so all I want to see a higher close, body close above that buy side liquidity. That is my expectation. If it failed to close above that buy side liquidity, that is not good. That means it is actually going to give me a shallow run over here, and that will be later target. Though I don't want to see. I really want to see body close above that buy side liquidity. Hope you will understand. So price came to this water block one more time. See, just perfectly it came to the water block. Fine. When price will come here to this partial, if it can come here, okay, I'm not telling it will come over here. If it can come here, the stop loss should have come to the break even. So I will just mark this one as my stop loss. Boom. This will work as my stop loss. Yes, and brother, I know all of you actually trade what to say, the Nasdaq, but trust me, this is the same thing. Okay? Except the precision, everything else are the same. Trading gold. Music, I have no other option. Okay, I have no other option because Forex, I hate Forex. No precision over there, nothing at all. But in gold, little precision, so I can go for the gold. Little, okay, not perfect, but it's good. It's cool. Some people like reading books. I like reading price like my boy. Okay, that's cool, man. So we all are going to enjoy our first losing entry. Okay, so that should be the losing entry. Let's see if it works or not. Jillian, me. So you were here, but I'm sorry. Why? I don't know why, but my message didn't upload. Okay, Stephen, you are also there. I'm sorry, man. Again, me too. Okay, but don't lose. You were supposed to win. I'm supposed to win. Seriously? Oh no, man. You are making me more confident that I'm gonna win and I'm gonna be the winner. Mm, I read it in a book somewhere. Okay, cool. We're gonna take a loss. Yeah, we are going to take a loss, man. Yes, Velka. Yeah, you are also here. Here, okay. But okay, thank you, man. And also going lower. Everyone is going lower, but see, when I took my end to gold, it started to do the consolidate. I mean, it started to consolidate. Okay, that is not good. Whatever. Uh, Stephen. Okay, love how you pronounce my name. Uh, man, I'm extremely sorry, brother. I mean, my English pronunciation is not good. Okay, all of the people who are with me for long, all of them know that my English is not that much good. So please don't mind if I ever pronounced your name in a wrong way. Okay, please don't mind. I'm extremely sorry if I pronounced it wrong. I'm extremely sorry, man. Leroy, hey brother, how are you? The hell? Why it takes too long? Oh. If I would over here, I would have taken my winning entry already. That's cool. Okay, that's cool. See, this body has closed just above the buy side liquidity. Okay, see, it has closed above the buy side liquidity. This is the confirmation that okay, maybe market is coming toward that consequent encroachment. Until that consequent encroachment, I am confident market is going higher. And when this market is going higher, every single other market is going lower. Okay, every single other market is going lower. You got it right. Okay, then I'm okay. No sorry. No sorry, no thank you. I'm right. Over here, the gold is still consolidating. I don't like this consolidation. It's gold, very bullish. Very bullish. What does it mean, brother? What does it mean? The very bullish. I'm expecting lower run until here. The sell side liquidity until here. I'm expecting lower run. Okay. Okay. I hate this consolidation. It should go through this low. When it will go through this low, what I mean by go through this low, I mean I want to see a body close below that low. Okay, until I won't see a body close below that low, I am confused. I am not confident that I'm gonna be the winner. But when I will see a body close below that low, I'll be very happy because I'm gonna be the winner. But I know all of you are here to actually celebrate my losing entry. I know that. The gold very bullish. Okay, so you are thinking gold will go higher. Okay, let me still check one more time. Why do you think like that? Why you are thinking gold is going higher? The only fair gap here. This is little bit. Okay, so I'm not going to hold my trade until there. I will take my partial over there as I have a fair gap over there. So I will take my partial over there actually. It came to this last fair gap, then it went higher. That's cool. Until now I'm okay, but I would love to take my partial over here. When price will come here to this last fair value gap, I will take my partial. Okay, so I have uploaded the video to my channel and it's all about the last fair value gap. I hope you guys watch that video. This is another precision. See where price came to the last fair value gap, and when this last fair value gap hold the price, it went higher. Okay, where did it came to the again it come to the last fair value gap. This is also the last fair value gap, though there is only one fair value gap, but it come to the last fair value gap. Okay, so when it come to this last fair value gap, this is the okay, so the body closed below this low. Okay, that is kind of the confirmation. Market is going to give me at least the partial. Okay, at least this partial it is going to give it to me. Let's see. We want to celebrate our losing entry, man. Don't give us the winning entry. Don't. Oh man, it hit my partial. When it hit my partial, my stop loss is at the break even. Okay? It hit it. Okay, you know that it hit it. Man, can you write it down? Boom. Though I am not, it didn't hit here, but still I got the partial. Okay, so I am already profitable. I have already closed my losing portion. My stop loss is over here. You should write it down. Boom. It's been long. I didn't write boom. I want to see it from you, that you guys actually write it down for me, please. This is the last travel gap from the 15-minute chart. Let's see if it can hold it or not. I believe it is going to fail hold the price as my bias is here. If it failed to hold the price, then if it started to go higher, I won't look for any kind of buy. Okay, why? Because this is the last travel gap from 15-minute chart and it is failed to hold the price. That is the sign every higher run is suspicious. You have to take yourself to that higher buy run. Okay, if it can break that travel gap, then dun, 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 dun. Anybody has any confusion about this trade? If you have any confusion, you can ask me the question. Every on. So till now, I can see the last five lookup is actually holding the price. Okay, so this is the I mean, I believe this will work as a what to say the there is I mean institutional order flow entry drill. Okay, so that will work as an institutional order flow entry drill, and I would love to see this will um, this won't be filled. Okay, this won't be filled like that. This one I don't need it at all. I will see how it react over here. I, I want to see a little portion will be opened over here. It won't be closed fully. That is the only thing I'm expecting from this fair value gap. If it failed to, I mean, look like here, okay? If it failed and go below, there is much more possibility market is going lower and it will take some portion of the liquidity. If it failed, okay? If it failed fully, then there is much more possibility market will come here, above here somewhere. If it failed, okay, let's see how it worked. Ravi, you were late, man. You were late. Can you see NQ or US 100? US 10, US 100. Okay, and it can just let me actually remove this one. Just a second, brother, because I just can't tell you anything from a random chart. Okay, so there is sell side liquidity over here. Let the sell side liquidity and just a second, brother. Come here, this look at, and from 1 minute 30 here. Okay, so it come here. That means it come here. It's higher, so going higher. Don't worry. Don't. I believe this order block is going to hold the price. This is my belief. Okay, don't go for the trade or something. This is the thing. If there is a fair value gap, if it go through this will work as an inversion fair value gap. I mean, if it can go through this fair value gap, then it will work as an inversion fair value gap. Okay, so market actually came to this fair value gap. It went lower, tried one more time, it broke lower the order block level. It came to this order block level. This is the mean threshold. Nobody should close above the mean threshold. This is the fair value gap that should work as a inversion fair value gap. That means it should do like something like this. This is the more obvious liquidity. This is the sell side liquidity. There will be the sell side liquidity level. You can see this level. This is the more obvious sell side liquidity level now. And let's see how it works. Okay, I don't need. Okay, as it is failed to keep some portion open, there is much more possibility market can go above here. So I am also expecting market can go above here. It can go above here. If mean threshold failed, then there is much more possibility market will go above there. If there is a body close above the mean threshold, this is gonna be, I mean, the supportive fair value gap right now. It has taken this sell side liquidity. It will go above and it will take some more liquidity. Then it will expand lower, because don't remember this level. That is now the more stronger sell side liquidity level. Okay, very stronger sell side liquidity level. Now I will wait to be stopped out over there to the break even, but till I'm fine. I took my partial over there. It is going toward that order block level and it will take some buy side liquid over there. Then it will expand lower again one more time. Why I wanted to see this thing unfilled? Okay, so I got it stopped out. Okay, but you can see I got my partial, so I'm still profitable. This is kind of sign. If it would fail to fill that fair value gap, then there will be 1,000 times more probability that market will come over here directly. As this failed to hold the price, or this fair value gap fully filled after shifting, I mean after getting the perfect 22 YT model fair value gap, then water block, every single thing is over there. It worked perfectly. It sent the price lower, take the liquidity. This is the extreme liquidity from the news. Okay, then this thing happened. This liquid, I mean the fair value gap happened. This fair value gap should be unfilled. That should work as a breakaway gap. When it failed to use as a breakaway gap, there is much more possibility market will take more buy side liquidity now. Now, don't think it is going higher. So the last 15-minute fair value gap hold the price. You shouldn't think like that way until this high is broken. Until this high is broken, you should not look for buy entry. You should look for sell. You, whenever price will go higher, you should look for sell. Okay, this is the way I read the price, brother. And that is the reason I was thinking this will be unfilled. But it is what it is. This is the issue, trying to juggle work and trading. Soon we'll be trading full time, God willing. I guess so. I guess so, man. Okay, Rabbit flipping burgers at McDonald's right now. But give me one, give me one. I don't need this level, and I would love to see the mean threshold and the order block. So there, when price started to do this type of thing, it has taken this buy side liquidity. Okay. At the same time, I am seeing that market has retested this order block. See this order block, market retested that order block. If it failed to close above that mean threshold, started to go lower one more time again. This time we will get just a run, no setup, just clean run. If the mean threshold failed to hold the price, there is much more possibility market will go above that high. And finally, if it can go above that high, that means the market has shifted. Market doesn't want to go lower. It would love to go higher. When you will be confirmed, when you will get confirmation, when the last fair value gap, this is the last fair value gap from the hourly chart. It this the consequent encroachment will be broken. It will, I mean, body close will be here. You will start to think, oh, okay, maybe market is going higher. No, not this one. Actually, this is the last parallel gap. I'm sorry. This is the last parallel gap. TXI come down. Let me check, brother. So dollar index. So it failed to hold the price. There is much more possibility market is going to take some kind of buy side liquidity over here. That high shouldn't be broken. This high shouldn't be broken. Let me know if it breaks or not. If it is broken, there's much more possibility market will work toward that gap. I mean, it will fill much more gap over here. So it has already taken the buy side liquidity. That's cool. Now I would love to add something. Can you see this is the last parallel gap? One time fake breakout, two time fake breakout. At the same time, it has taken the buy side liquidity. What we have now, sell side liquidity. This low, that low, that low. All of these lows. This is more obvious right now, but am I going to see the market like that way? That market is actually going toward that low? No, I'm not thinking like that way. I'm thinking market is not going lower. It is going to make a setup over here for toward that consequent encroachment at least, or that high, or that high. Any of that level should be traded first. Two time fake out is not actually the real fake breakout. Okay. So this is kind of confirmation that the last fair value gap failed to hold the price. So this is from the hourly chart. You should look from the 5-minute chart. You can see this is the one time, two time, three time. Three time failed to hold the price. What I will look over here, either it will do this type of things. Okay. Now this entry is not valid here as I don't have any buy side liquidity. I don't have any buy side liquidity. So this setup is not valid, but the 22 YT model is perfectly valid over here. Market will make some kind of liquidity. It will take that sell side liquidity, higher market structure shift, fair value gap. This consequent encroachment will be your target from the hourly chart, if you remember. Then the high of that swing high, that will be the second target. I'm not thinking market is actually falling. It is going lower. I'm not thinking like that. Same here. I'm not thinking market is actually going higher. Every move is suspicious for me. I'm thinking market is actually going lower. It is going higher to 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 the retail trader, they will start to think, okay, this is the time market falls too low. It came here, it came to the bottom, so it is going higher. Why I'm not taking my sell? I mean, I'm not willing to take my sell over here because I saw two times, one, two times. This last parallel gap hold the price. That is why I'm not interested to take sell. If I could say a body close below this parallel gap or any kind of fake breakout, not fake breakout, I would take my sell over there. When this candle see this fake breakout, so mean threshold actually hold the price. Okay, so when it go below that order block level one more time, I would take my sell over here. That would be my entry. This okay. This would be my entry. I would put my stop loss over there, and this low would be my target. I mean, if there was any low over there, that would be my target. And let me actually check where price came. Why price retraced from there? It shouldn't retrace from there. So high, low. This is the high, the low, normal. But I have there. I have nothing over there. It should came to this -1, at least -1 standard deviation, but it didn't. Okay. So brother, the way I read the price, this is the thinking. This is the thinking process. So this is the last parallel gap from 1 minute chart, and this is if it is broken. If if it is broken, okay, a body close. If I see a body close below that low, perfect place, perfect confirmation that market is going to take at least this sales and liquidity now because I have relatively equal lows over there. I'm just using the fair value gap. See, this is the last fair value gap. There is another. See why I put my partial from here to here. When I saw this is the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart, immediately I bring my partial over here. I got paid over here from here to here. I don't know how many handle or pips over here, but that should be much, I mean more, I mean huge. That should be huge in every single market like Nasdaq, even S&P, every single market. If you see a higher round right now, you have to think it is going higher to take some kind of liquidity, and then actually there is a setup. Actually there is a setup. So I'm going to remove all of this. This is your setup. Actually this is your setup. Price has taken the buy side liquidity over here. Okay, has taken the liquidity over there, still over there. I mean, you can put your stop loss over here, that is also safe. You can go over there and you can target the standard deviation level now. This is the market structure shift. So this is not perfect. I told you, you are not going to look the perfect thing over here, but when you will be in Nasdaq or Emination, you have to look for the perfect setup. Okay, that is the market structure shift. This is your fair value gap. You take your entry over there, and you are going to get another loss. Huh? Okay, so this is the last fair value gap from the 1 minute chart. See, there is no other fair value gap to that level, and the first fair value gap, last fair value gap is actually holding the price. Okay, though I don't want to see that. I want to see it will broke this fair value gap from 1 minute chart. If it broke, there is much more possibility market will go lower and the higher fair value gap. Okay, this one. See this parallel gap, this is your inversion parallel gap. This parallel gap is your inversion parallel gap. I am sorry. That is your inversion parallel gap. Why that is your inversion parallel gap? Because this high failed to take the highest high, or this high even this high it failed to take that high as well. So this high has made your inversion parallel gap. This is your last parallel gap that is broken already. So I'm going to remove this one. I don't believe this is the fake breakout, but I believe that is actually broken. So if you don't take your entry to this parallel gap, no problem. You can take your entry when market came to this parallel gap. You can take your entry over there. You can put it over there. The safe place is over here. That is the safest place. But you can put it over here as well. That should be safe as well. And target should be here. The 1 minute standard deviation. Something like this. Now, after taking one entry, never ever try to take another entry like this. Okay, never ever. If you even can take some partial, then stopped out at the break even, be happy with that. Just be happy. Here you can see the last parallel gap is actually holding the price. So there was no confirmation that market is going lower. If you see a body close below this parallel gap, this entry will work. You will be sure 90%, you will be sure this is going to work. If just you see it's broken. Why I am interested to take that entry? Because there is much more confluences from dollar index. Dollar index was telling me that it would love to go higher more. That is why I was thinking, okay, maybe market will go lower. Let's see if it works or not. But as I don't have confirmation, this is not the perfect entry, but it should work. Here the last 1 minute parallel gap is also broken, though it look like fake breakout. I believe it is not fake breakout. It is what it is. I'm just going to remove one. Okay, I will just keep this one. That will be easy. That will be okay. We have any breakout by here? Anything else? That will put it over here because there is a water block level. I would love to make sure that it can't come to the water. I mean, when it will come to this water block, I am not stopped. I wanna be sure that. Okay? So I just put it little above. 5 minute fair look valid. I don't go 5 minute, brother. Let me check it. 5 minute fair look is cool, but I go for 5 minute when I don't see anything from 15 minute. Okay, then only then I go for 5 minute. So big lines. From here I can see price come here to this order block. Cool. It came to this order block. Nice. It should expand lower. You see this relatively equal lows where I have marked on my partial. This low should be taken. After taking these lows, I don't need to think about this. This is the most obvious level where price will go, and if it is overzealous, then it will take that sell certificate. Okay, so this should work like that way. If I don't see anything from 15-minute chart, then I go to 5-minute chart and I try to find something over here. Now from 5-minute chart, I don't see anything cool. I don't see anything cool. So from 1-minute chart, this level and this level, I mean the 50-minute order block level and the 1-minute order block level, they are at the same level. So I'm going to mark the 1-minute order block level. Okay, so this is the 1-minute order block level. So price come to this 1-minute order block one more time. It has retested that order block. Cool, everything's cool. Okay, let's see. Ronald Siu. And why it's in Ronaldo? I love Ronaldo. Who has some question? Who has some doubt? Please ask me your doubts. It's because if you just listen, I mean, if you just keep listening to me, I don't know how you guys get understand everything. My English is not good. Sometimes I use some weird word, but still you guys don't ask me the question. Oh man, seriously. Let's keep silence for some time. So dollar is still falling. Cool, cool, cool. Why you are falling, man? Are you coming here to this travel gap? You shouldn't. Uh, Let me go to 1 minute chart. Okay, so it come here to this volume balance. Okay, there is a travel gap over here. So I'm wrong over here. I should have to put my stop loss over there because price can come to this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. It can come over here because this is already failed. The last fair value gap has already failed to hold the price. There's much more possibility price will come here to this fair value gap, then it will expand higher. At the same time, it can go a little bit over the last. It can go over higher, some kind of run. Okay? After that, it can expand lower. How do we expect price to be today, AM or PM, as we have CPI this morning? Uh, I told you, brother, before CPI, I started my life today before CPI. I told you this sell side liquidity is my target. From dollar index, I was expecting price will take that buy side liquidity. Okay. From 15-minute chart, you can see this high and that high. They were relatively equal highs, so I was targeting this thing. I mean, I marked this one before CPI. I was thinking price will take that sell liquidity first, then it will come here and take the buy side liquidity. But it actually came to the inversion fair value gap. This is the inversion fair value gap. I marked it before and don't think this is here hindsight. Then it started to go higher and it has taken the buy side liquidity. It started to fall. So I don't want to see it will go lower. I don't want to see. I want to see it will work higher one more time. So higher somewhere, it will come first, then it will go lower. You have to expect something from the chart. Now, as I am in gold, when price started to go lower, I told that I am waiting until 8:45. That means 15 minutes after the news. If I see a setup after 15 minutes, I mean 15 minutes after the news, I will go for that. So that was the 8:45 somehow. Yeah. So the 8:45 was here. Okay. Price went higher, take the buy side liquidity, gave me very nice market structure shift. There was the fair value gap. Let's trade that fair value gap. It went lower, gave me the partial. It went higher one more time. Now it is going lower. I believe that, and it will go and take that sell side liquidity, that sell side liquidity. That is the way I expect the run from the any kind of news day. Okay, the facility is after the news. If you get a small run, just a small run, you will get maybe 50 handle. That is the benefit. Okay? IFG is when it failed to take buy or sell liquidity, right? Uh, Let me actually speak to IFG, right? This is swing, okay? The price started to trade from here to here. Then price come here, maybe somewhere here. Then, sorry. IFG, right? Okay. It it come here. Then it started to consolidate. Okay? It started to consolidate. Finally, it has taken the liquidity. Okay, the liquidity price is made from here. It has taken that liquidity, gave you a very nice market structure shift. This is a very nice market structure shift from here. Okay, so there is a fair value gap in the market structure shift candle. There is a fair value gap. Price should come to that fair value gap and then it should go higher, but price didn't do it. Instead of that, it went through that fair value gap. There was the fair value gap, it went through that fair value gap. Now I will look this high. Did it fail to take any buy side liquidity from or swing high from there? If I see it failed to take the extreme swing high to take, then this fair value gap is my inversion fair value gap, and that should work perfectly like this. If you have clean sales and liquidity over there, so that is the bearish inversion fair value gap. You will think the bullish inversion fair value gap on the opposite way. Take Euro USD, please. Let's go. In Euro USD, until this high is broken, I am thinking market will go lower. Okay, how long it can come to this sell side liquid? This sell side liquid is more obvious. I'm thinking market is coming here to take that sell side liquid. Now I don't need to see market will come till here and take that sell side liquid. I will wait, or I will hold my trade until here. No, I'm not doing that. I just need a run. Why price come here? Why price come here? I'm just going to remove this parallel gap. Okay, and going to mark this parallel gap. This is the last parallel gap from 1 minute chart. I will see if it can hold it or not. If it fail to hold the price, I will start to think market will go higher. But I am not going to take my buy. Only thing I will go for that is sell. Okay. Only thing I'll expect that is sell. If, only if market can go above that last parallel gap. See this parallel gap from hourly chart. If price can go above that high, that fair value gap, then I will start to think for taking buy. Until then, I will do nothing. If I see market is going higher, I will do nothing. I am interested to take sell only, no buy. This is the logic, okay, brother? I don't know you get it or not, but this is the way. Let's okay. So it hit my. Oh, no problem. Let's see if it works or not. It break the main threshold as well. Nothing is good until now. I'm not interested to take buy, brother. I told you so many times. I mean, if you ask me about the setup, I can see it has taken the sell side liquidity market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. Am I interested to take buy? No, I'm not interested to take buy. Even if I see market is going higher, no, I'm not interested. All I'm seeing here, market is going higher. For the people who are actually overzealous, okay, who missed this run, they started to take buy here because market is going higher. This is the double top, I mean double bottom, so they took their buy. Price is going higher, everyone is taking buy. I'm not going to take my buy. Only thing I'm expecting is sell. If market shows me any kind of reaction when price will go below the fair value gap, I mean this last fair value gap, if it can broke that fair value gap, I will start to look for a setup over here. That sell side liquidity will be my target. If I am wrong, if market go higher, I will do nothing until price reach to that fair value gap. That is the last fair value gap as well from the hourly chart. Until it's not broken, I am not doing anything over here when price is going higher. Okay, so price came to this fair value gap. That's cool. This is the last fair value gap. Let's see if it can hold it or not. You know it hold it. Okay. If it can go above that high, that is market structure shift with displacement. If it can do that, so I will get a setup from dollar index now. Where price came? the last fair value gap. From 1 minute chart, this is the last fair value gap. Price come here. Now, if it can go above that high, that is market structure shift. It has taken the liquidity from there. I got my market structure shift. There will be a fair value gap. Market will come to that fair value gap. Then boom, it will go higher. If this fair value gap failed to hold the price, market will work with that low, because there is relatively equal lows over here. This low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. Finally, we have that low that market failed to take at the morning session before. I mean, at the CPI. It can work toward that low as well. All I want to see, I mean, big run above that high. That is all I want to see. Every other market has perfectly taken the buy side liquidity. Good, that's cool. I want some kind of lower run, market structure, lower market structure, not high run. That is not my expectation. But this is not the good place to take sell as well, because you see the body, I mean the candles, this fair value gap hold the price. So I mean this sell is not also valid over here. Buy is not valid at all, but you can take a risk by taking a sell. Buy, don't do it. It can work right now. It can work. Okay, market can go higher. It can happen, but that is not right. You shouldn't do that. High, low, higher, high. This is the bearish candle as well. I mean the breaker. কি স্যার কথা বলতে বলো না, সাইড বেরে কথা বলতে বলো, বলো আমি কাজ করতে, উনি কথা বললেই হবে। Okay guys, I just need to take a break. I will be back within 10 minutes. Okay, if you want to go you can go, or you can just wait. এত পাগল কেন? আমি সরো যাও, আমি আসতেছি, দাঁড়ায় থাক, আমি আসতেছি। আজব। I'm sorry, I have to go. Okay, so I will come back within 10 minutes. If you want to come, I will be here at whatever I told you. You can just wait for that kind of things. Okay, so market, take the buy side liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap entry, go for extreme sell side liquidity. I'll be back. It's been late. Anybody here? Or nobody is here? Okay, 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 okay. Thank you. I am short Nasdaq, but don't do what I say. I'm not that good yet. Target 758.2. Let me go to the Nasdaq then. Nasdaq. I won't be able to go Nasdaq, so I would love to go US 100. So you take your short over there, and where is your target, brother? Where is your target? Okay. It has shifted the market. It has come to this level. Fine, perfect. It should expand higher now. That's cool. If it would love to go higher, this market should go lower. Hey, pro trader path, how are you, brother? Everything. How are you, man? Music, can you please tell me where exactly the level you are actually expecting? Let me go to the Nasdaq. You are telling me that 758.2, 758.2, 758.2. Why 758? I have no idea where you have targeted. Seriously, man, no idea. At equal low at Nasdaq. Okay, so you are going over there. That's cool. US 100. Okay, so you have targeted over here. Cool. And where is your target, man? Where is your target? Sorry, I'm trading off on the chart. Okay, that's cool, no problem, brother. But what is your entering point? Why did you take your entry? Just taken the bicycle at the school, got the market structure shift. This is the market structure shift. So it's not perfect market structure shift, but after CPI, I'll go for that. And as it is the Nasdaq, or sorry, the US 100, I will go for that. No problem. So that is the breaker. Your stop loss has to be here. I mean, if you take your entry, I don't know where did you take your entry. Your stop loss has to be here. Okay, and look closely this travel gap. I entered short 012.5. Is it from Wanda? Wanda. Wanda. Ah, I don't know whether why is Wanda. Whatever. I will just discuss the price action from here. Okay. That's cool. It has taken the liquidity over here. Taken the liquidity. I got my market structure shift over here. This is the market structure shift. This is the fair value gap from dollar index. This is the dollar index. That is the perfect buy. It will take at least this buy side liquidity will be taken. At least this will be taken until this is when price will take that high. You have to take a partial over here. You have to do it when price will go above that high. you have to take a partial to your trade. I mean, uh, I don't know how long you hold your trading. I mean, what is your actually entry point? I really don't know, but wherever your entry is, I don't care. When market will take that high, you have to take your partial. Trust me, brother. Just take your partial, okay? I'm just showing you. I mean, showing the entry setup. It came here, okay? This is the perfect time to take your partial over here. Take your partial. Don't hold it until here. It will go over there. You know that. I know that. Everyone knows that. It will come here. But train yourself. Take your partial at this level. Though there is not a perfect level. I mean, not something that is much more obvious. But you have to take your partial over there. As dollar has done some obvious job. Now it can come any kind of fair value gap, maybe to this fair value gap or this fair value gap, then it can retrace. At the same time, you can expect some kind of consolidation or some kind of higher run toward that breaker. So when market has taken that buy side, you have to take your partial over here. If you don't do it, you will lose in a longer time. Trust me, brother. You will lose. Now this last 1 minute fair value gap that has failed to hold the price, this swing low is more obvious now. This swing, okay? It will take that low first, then either it will take that one or it will make some kind of relatively equal highs over there. I mean, sorry, relatively equal lows over there, something like that. Then it can go higher or something, or it can go lower, whatever. That is different matter. But right now, this low is more obvious. Okay, this low, perfect. Your stop loss has to be here at this level. Your stop loss. I don't know. Uh, I really don't know where, but see. Okay, no, it's your job is done, man. Your job is done. Uh, okay. Okay, so doing great. That's cool, man. That's cool. How about your trade? Did you take any entry today? Little sick till now. Little sick, man. Little sick, but it's working. I mean, my body is working. How about you trade? Did you take any entry today, brother? So that is the first fair value gap. That should be your entry point, and that is the breakaway gap. Body shouldn't close above the consequent encroachment. That's cool. When it is going higher, I would love to mark the order block. The order block. If it would love to go higher, this order block level is should be the last level or the threshold after order. This equal lows will be the target. And music, and you, I hope your trade is done. Can you please send me the screenshot? I would love to see where did you take your entry. Okay, took to made 1.5 plus and a total of 2.56 on the 100k space. That's cool, man. That's cool. You are I mean, you were kind of a person now who has 2.56k. Oh man, you are rich. Give me some money, man. I'm not talking anymore though. Oh, why you are not talking any? I mean, you are not taking anymore though. We have just started the CPI move, so you should take some more, man. I think you should actually take another what to say, the another combine, maybe 50k combine, because that is the most easiest one. You should take one more combine over there. Huh. Pore. Music life, can you please? show me your setup. I mean, the setup you have taken. Can you please mark it, and can you please show me where did you take your entry, and then give me a screenshot. Okay, I would love to see that, brother. Taken 50% partial boss, now riding the rest, moving my stops down. That's cool. Just give me a screenshot. I would love to see it, okay, from the beginning. Don't think I'm gonna copy you. Don't think like that way. I would love to see that, okay? That's the thing. I know, but I'm happy with the what I have. Okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. I was just kidding, okay? What do you think? Where price will go? Why I have 3 express now, and soon I will be moved to life funded if I can continue like that. Oh man, that's cool. Life funded, there is the freedom. Everyone should, I mean, everyone should expect like you. I mean, we will get rid of this prop from rules, regulation, from everything from this type of prop firm account. We should go with freedom because trading is freedom. I believe that. What do you think, brother? Where gold will go? I mean, I'm expecting that gold will come here. Eventually, it will take that low. That is my expectation. Right now, this low is more obvious when this 50-minute or there is a 50-minute parabolic gap. That is my thinking. Okay, just let me know that if I'm right or I'm wrong. Okay, so I'm thinking if it can go below that parabolic gap, 50-minute parabolic gap, then this low will be more obvious. If it can go below that low, then this sell side liquidity will be taken today. That is my expectation from the morning session. I was bearish, and until this sell side is not taken, I'm bearish. Okay. So I tried here one setup and took a partial over there, then stopped out to the break even. Then this is the second time where I saw the setup. Over here, I tried to read the price, but this is the perfect place where price came with. It was actually uh, worked with the dollar index. The dollar came to this last fair value gap. When it has come over there, I was expecting this market structure shift, fair value gap. Market came to this fair value gap perfectly, went higher. This buy sell liquidity was the target. And from the morning session, I talked about this setup from dollar index. Actually, I was thinking market will take the low first, then it will take that buy sell liquidity, but it came directly to the inversion fair value gap and take the buy side liquidity. And I told that when this hourly fair value gap failed to hold the price, there is 90% of the chance market is coming toward that consequent encroachment of that week. So market is actually going toward that consequent encroachment until it is over here. I mean, there is two level. This is the weekly fair value gap. So the consequent encroachment of the weekly fair value gap and the consequent encroachment of this week. So this both level until price reach over here, I'm bearish in every single other market. Okay, which is actually connected with dollar index. I'm expecting that. However, I want to close 150k express by taking all of my profit, 100% payout, and take another 150k challenge to increase the total balance up to 450k. The max stop step allows. Okay, that's cool, man. That's cool. Don't know about gold as I don't trade that. However, includes isn't stopping before 801.5, 16801.5. Actually, I don't have the data. Let me actually try to find it. 16. What did you say? 16801. 16801. So I think it's here somewhere. I mean, the hourly chart. 6801. Okay, so you were expecting until here. Okay, that's cool. I was expecting to this low. I mean, this low will be triggered. This low, that was my target, but it's cool. If it can come here, that is fine. Perfectly, it's fine, man. Let's see how it react over there. I would love to see the same thing. I mean, I would love to see the lower run first. But if that is my thinking, okay, if dollar can reach any of this level, then it will retrace. That is my expectation. So if it can retrace, maybe we'll see some kind of higher run to other markets. But let's see. All we are actually expecting the same way. I mean, the lower run for every single market. For me, this is more obvious. 16892, that is more obvious for me because you can see the 15-minute fair lookup over here. There is some liquidity level. Obviously, it is more. I mean, obvious, but some breaker things are actually working here. That is why I'm little bit confused right now where it can go. Let's see how it react. I'm falling. I'm falling. And gold, I am actually doing gold is because don't have data plan. You know that from Bangladesh we can't just pay for the data plan. So that is what it is. It failed to come to the water block. That's cool also, and it's falling. I want to see some kind of big run right now. I mean, without the big run, this type of consolidation actually, if I see just went below, then started to go higher. That is not good. When it will start to go low, it has to leave some level. I mean, space, keep open. If it can keep open some level, then there is much more possibility market will come over here to that sell side liquidity. If it can, okay, just let me mark it. I want to see this out. Otherwise, I will say again the same thing I got here. I wanted expected this level will be open. It failed, so it actually done more buy side taken. Then one more time, price came here to the same last parabolic from the 15-minute chart. If it can keep this place open, there is 99% of the chance market is going toward that sell side liquidity. So let's see how it works. Okay, no problem, brother. Reset your, I mean, restart your PC. And I'm also not going to hold my session for today. I mean, I have already talked about everything. I came live to show you guys to how I expect the CPI and how it reacts. And I think you guys are agree with me that I was little right. Okay, when price went higher, I told you don't think it's going higher, and that high was my what to say the high that shouldn't be broken, so it didn't broke. Instead of that, it went lower. Market structure shift. First parallel gap, last parallel gap. It went lower. Didn't I mean it failed to come to this water block. It's cool, but it's going lower. Now I will observe this 15-minute last parallel gap. If it failed to hold the price, this is more obvious level, and this sells and liquidity. I tried it. I mean the top step. The only thing I got missed is when I switch to paper money. I mean paper account. It's gone. Something like this. Okay. I don't get the live data. Something like that. So it didn't work. I don't know why. What I did wrong. But when I connect the top step, after that I switch to paper money. It's gone already. It failed. It failed. That means it will work with this buy side liquidity, I guess. I mean, maybe it's coming toward that water block. Good. I mean, the gold is too sloppy today, very sloppy. But if you compare the Nasdaq with the gold, we got the better price action over here. See, very nice price action over here. Boom, 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 boom. Setup wasn't good over there, but let me check from the mini S&P. We get a perfect setup over here. Come here, that specific rejection block, perfect rejection, went lower, market structure shift, failed to trade that gap, Instead of that, it gave me another market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. It failed to trade that fair value gap as well. So where could be the entry? There was just a breaker entry over here. This was the breaker entry. If anybody took that breaker entry, he is profitable. Otherwise, there was no setup as well. And where it is going to clear this sell side liquidity from here. That is more obvious sell side liquidity. Later we will see how it works. The wicks of the gold is giving me headache. Okay, man. Oh, I know, because the precision we get from the future market, we don't get it from any other market. So that's why I love trade future market. It's my love. Okay, I got right most of the time, and most of the people are profitable by trading the future market actually. Cool. Gold and forex are so boring, so boring. Okay, so this is the sell side. I would love to see market will take that sell side liquidity. That was my expectation from the morning. Okay, I got the point from here. This was my expectation that market will take that low actually, and this 16654. So I'm expecting more lower. Oh man, you were expecting 801, and I was thinking you were expecting too much. Where I'm expecting this sell side liquidity. Oh man, it's fun. So okay, I would love to actually add something before completing my session. Okay, if you remember, when I talked about the dollar index market, I told you that most of the YouTubers, they are expecting lower run for the dollar index. Okay, and I'm in indecision. I told you there was a breaker and also the hourly fair value gap from hourly chart. There was the hourly chart. So I told you that if this hourly fair value gap fail to hold the price, I'm expecting market will go higher and at least some kind of this level. So this is what it is. Okay, this is the way I read the price, and I don't go for sure run, but I expect something that actually worked. That is my expectation, and this is the way I work. uh, okay, thanks for being with me. And if anybody has any question, you can ask me right now. Otherwise, I'm gonna close my session. I'm extremely sorry for today's. I just went outside in the meantime when I was trading. That was actually emergency, so I had to go. I'm sorry for that. Anybody has any question? I know I'm maybe 30-second delayed, so I will wait 30 seconds so that you can hear the question. After that, I will just complete. I don't know, brother. I don't have the real data. Okay, so I don't know it has taken that level or not yet. I mean, in my chart, it is over here, so I don't know. Anybody has any question? Nobody has no question. I don't think so. Anybody has any question? What time frame for breaker one Nasdaq 100? What time frame for breaker? For breaker 1 minute time frame, brother. This is your breaker. This is your breaker. Okay, I don't think so. You guys has any more question or anything? Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you guys get something clear from here or some informative information from here. Thanks for being with me. Don't forget to leave a like before leaving my live. See you guys. Bye bye.